Moving on. Hey everyone, my name is Victoria and welcome in my crochet world. Today I show you my AliExpress haul and recommend you what I buy on AliExpress and what I use every crochet day or crochet night. And let's go! I had this set for 3 years and definitely I can recommend it because if you need some exact size, then this set helps out. My hook is in a nice case with a zipper and I keep all my hook here. Moving on, crochet hook with needle eye. It's the most popular question in comments, where I both my hooks with needle. Moving on, and next what I can recommend, it's a wooden sewing tag. I use it in my basket. I have white and brown tags. I ordered white tags the first time. Moving on, plastic markers for crocheting cracks and counting, they are simply irreplaceable. I recommend to buy. And moving on, the next one is paper thank you stickers. And it's my favorite stickers. And I have handmade with love these stickers and thank you tags for sewing, and I use it in my crochet orders. The next position what I can strongly recommend to buy on AliExpress, it's a laser bottom or eco laser, of course, it's not natural. I use it in my crochet bag. Moving on, pom-pom maker. I used it to make a Christmas wreath and I recommend it because it's better than handmade pom-pom maker. I have 4 sizes. This is easy and quick to use. I recommend it. It was my AliExpress haul. And that's all what I can recommend on AliExpress. If you want, I can show you what I don't recommend. Unsuccessful experience. For example, my wooden hooks. It's not good for crocheting, only for photography. And some stickers. And thank you for watching this video. Follow me on Instagram and YouTube. Let's crochet, let's create together. Bye!